We should legalize marijuana because there are benefits towards it. According to alternate.org, there are 658,000 arrests for marijuana possession in 2012, compared to 256,000 for cocaine, marijuana, and their derivatives. These arrests for marijuana would be completely abolished if marijuana was legalized. Then our policemen and women would be able to concentrate on more pressing things than they would if they were going out and finding people that have marijuana possession but aren't using the marijuana. Also, there are medical uses for marijuana, such as helping people with the pain from epilepsy, AIDS, chemotherapy patients, glaucoma, Crohn's disease, and many other things. My solution would to go ahead and legalize marijuana in all 50 states because it would help the U.S. medically and our armed forces, or our police department, with not having to take all those arrests, and they can look for things that are better for our community. My first question for you, do you think the topic that I've discussed for legalization of marijuana is a good thing?
Yes.
Do you believe the legalization of marijuana would be beneficial toward us all?
No. People are just going to smoke it.
What is your opinion over the legalization of marijuana?
People who need it should do it, and people who don't need it, don't do it.
Do you agree with my solution of legalizing marijuana?
Yes.
No,
Why so?
costs too much money to not do it. We can make bank off of
How would it affect you if marijuana was legalized?
My stepmom has MS, so it can help her.
It would help your grandmother with her MS?
My stepmother.
Your stepmother with your MS. What do you know about marijuana?
That it can sometimes help people.
And sometimes be bad.
it. It could be addictive.
It's addictive?
Could be.
Could be addictive. Do you know what causes people to want to smoke marijuana?
If they're in pain, or if they just want to do something for fun.
Most likely fun or friends. Just to show off.
Are you for the legalization of marijuana, and would you like marijuana to be legal in certain places or all 50 states?
Yes, and all 50.
All 50.
In all 50?
Yes.
It would take us out of debt. We can tax it.
You could take it for taxes, you say?
We can tax it.
And
then
it
we
can
get
help people medically.
Yep.
Thank you.
Well, there we go. I was on the news.